Hi, this is Ian Sharp. I'm a principal technologist at ATIS, and what I'm going to demonstrate today is a data collection and display application using public cloud 1M2M infrastructure with the application components developed on top of the ATIS OS-IoT library. So we have two components that communicate with each other. We have some sensor devices such as might be used to measure environmental data, though in this case we're actually using simulated data to allow this to be fully cross-platform. And we have another application, which in this case is a web application that can discover data created by those sensors and render it for display or interpretation by the user. So we're just waiting for the first sensor to boot up now, and that will start adding data onto the display. This sensor is an ARM-based development platform, and it's connecting over the public LTE network to a 1M2M server provided by Cordant as part of their 1M2M development platform. So you'll just see that now that sensor's come to life and made the LTE connection. We have the graph appear, and as soon as it starts sending data, that graph will start to show data points from that sensor. So we also have the second sensor device booting up right now. This is a Raspberry Pi 0W, so it's quite a constrained 32-bit ARM device, and that's connecting over Wi-Fi in this example. And what we're providing with OS-IoT is the ability to read and write 1M2M resources in really just a few function calls. So the parts of these applications which interact with 1M2M are really much simplified by using the library, as well as having other advantages. For example, the library taking care of the security required to access these cloud services. So you can now see we've got both sensor devices running, and we're getting 2 lines of data appearing on the graph. This is obviously scalable for many sensors, and we're really showing the sort of 3 key points about how we can deploy the library. We're showing it on constrained devices, we're showing it on richer devices for data display purposes, and we're also showing how it interacts with cloud infrastructure and can use public network technologies such as LTE as part of a kind of typical IoT application which might be deployed into home or enterprise type uses. So if you want to find out more information, then visit the OS-IoT website. We have a lot more documentation about the software there. Thank you very much.